Coffees and coffee and tools this week, and one of the worst outlets I've ever seen. And I just got to tell you guys, this is nuts. Check this out. If you're an electrician, this might hurt you a little bit. Sorry about that, but as a homeowner, you just don't do something like this. And as soon as I saw this thing, it was like, you got to be kidding me. You know, this is another one of those instances where somebody has hacked a deal here and put an outlet. This is outside, in the rain, gets wet, you know. And if you think the cover is the problem here, the cover is a little part of the big problem. We got to get this out of here when we come back. So here it is, an outside outlet. Well, it's an inside outlet, but it's outside. It shouldn't be out here. And it looks like this even has some burn problems, some rust. This box is probably number one. I'm not even going to talk about the cover missing, but it's outside, gets rained on, whatever, and it's outside. And this is one of those inside boxes you use inside a home. So this is a bad situation here, and we need to remove it. So let's get this out of here. Okay, now I'm not, well, I do recycle sometimes, so I guess we'll see if we can get this thing gone. But yeah, in fact, it's so rusted. The screws are even rusted. And that's gonna be a problem. Let's have a look, see what we can do. Maybe the hammer was the better idea. Let's just bend her out. Oh wow, yep, nice. Packed in. Let's just tear it up. Well, at least he put the ground on or something here. What I'm trying to figure out is how he's got this box mounted, but I think we'll just scrap this whole fiasco here because you just don't do this. This is the wrong box. These boxes are usually, yeah, there's a screw there. I think he's got another one over here someplace. See if I can get on it. Yep, just about bust the whole thing off. Let's see what we can do. Oh yeah, definitely. That was weird. Just spinning. Yeah. Well, I guess we'll. Yeah, there it is. The head went off. There's some more screws. There's got another one back here someplace. Well, I think we'll just bust it out. All right. Sure glad with this is just garbage now. I'm not even going to try to. Sometimes I try to recycle or collect these things and can reuse them on another job somewhere where in a shop or something. But he's got this thing running. I cut the line off and cut the power off just so everybody knows the power is cut off. Goes around the 4x4 post here on the porch. So let's see where else it goes. And it comes over here. At least I traced it over to here. But oh wow. Oh neat. Okay. It goes up here, comes down here, it's over here. Whew. Man, he's got it running all over the place. And today I was trying to shoot this. I think everybody that owns a lawnmower is running a lawnmower today, so sorry about the weird background noises. I guess we're gonna need a cutter. Okay, we're back with the cutter, and we're gonna have to go. Looks like I have to chase this wire around a little bit, so let's go see if we can get the rest of this here somewhere. It's all over the place, so yeah, it's late Sunday afternoon, and I'm still doing projects, so yeah, you can see that right there. He ran this, and then he's got it up in behind a downspout, and again, this is inside wiring. It shouldn't even be outside, so I'm gonna just tear it all up. Looks like he came in from a beam here, and I'm not even gonna chase that, so yeah, I think we'll just cut it off. Wow, maybe you go. And let's chase it down here. Wow. I mean, really? Yep. Seriously? Wow. All the way down to here. And there's even a staple behind it by the looks of it, or something holding it. So we'll go to the other side again and see if we can get that. You see how much fun you can have when you're into electrical wiring? I mean, you can't. You just enjoy every day because there's always something mysterious going on here. Wow. I think we'll just have to abandon the wire. Well, let's have a look here. Yeah. I think we'll just cut her off and at least get rid of it. And there she be. They painted it. They actually freaking painted it. So that is an absolute mess. That is definitely one for the. I've got a bag of garbage here someplace. Yeah, there it is, right there. Yep, bag of garbage, and that's exactly where you belong. Cause, guys, actually, let's take a look at a box that would be like that, just so you can see what I'm talking about. Because that was painted, and let's see. This is a deeper one, but it's the same idea. It's one of these blue boxes that you nail in on a 2x4 inside a home or inside a shop that has the proper code to using lumber, whatever, putting in. You don't stick this outside. It's not an outside weatherized box. I noticed that one had silicone on it, so he tried to silicone out to sort of makey-doey an outside box. You just, that doesn't work. Shouldn't be doing it. So, oh man, what a lot of fun. Now the only other thing I've got left is I've got some wire up here, and I'll see if I can't get that down too while I'm at it. But I don't know if we can just pull that back, or I don't know what happened there. So again, just go up above, and I guess we'll just cut it. Let's see. So all I'm going to do with this is just cut her off. Big snips I've got. Let me try pulling, but it doesn't want to move. We're just going to cut her off. And that's it. So I do like copper, so I will probably try to keep this somehow. But I don't know what we'll do with it. But I'll recycle it a little bit because I hate to see copper going to the trash can. It's not worth stripping it and cashing it in or something for copper. But at least we got that mess cleaned up. That basically, at least for this week, that finishes my porch. And put the tools away always after when we do something. Got to keep the tools handy. This week, coffee and tools. Wanted to show you that outlet because that's just wrong. You'd use an FS box, or go to Lowe's or Home Depot. Tell them you're putting an outside box on. You want an outside weathered box, for what you're doing if you're going to do something like that. And otherwise, consult someone with electrical knowledge and skills that can look after that. Because, guys, don't do that. Man, what a mess. Hey, thanks for stopping by Coffee and Tools. Next project, just as weird as that one, maybe more. I got some OCD on me, so I'm gonna say we'll see you later. Over and out.